Now in this particular subtask, the rock paper scissors project, we're going to be declaring the winner of overall all 3 rounds. So the objectives are we need to compare the user score and the computer score, and if computer score is greater, computer has won, and if user score is greater, user has won, and in any other case when both are equal, we're going to print out matches tied. Coming to the code, we have a simple compare scores function over here, which will compare user score and computer score. So after all 3 rounds, we're going to compare user score and computer score. If computer score is greater, we're going to print out computer won the overall match. If user score is greater, we're going to print out user won overall match. And in all other cases, we're going to return match is tied. Coming to the main function, after all 3 rounds, at last we're going to call the compare scores function, and then we're going to print it out. Let's just run this code once. So let me give rock, paper, and rock again. So I have won the overall match because in 3 rounds 2 were tie, and in the 1 round which wasn't a tie, I have won, hence I won the overall match. Let's just submit this code once. So passed all 3 test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.